If you're looking to replace a worn-out defrost heater in your refrigerator, the supply and demand DA47-00244Q refrigerator defrost heater is a reliable and efficient choice. Before diving into the details, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment for your convenience. This defrost heater is designed to replace models such as 203-1521 and PS4140528, making it a versatile option for many fridge owners. One of the standout features of this heater is its high-quality construction, which ensures durability and long-lasting performance. By installing this replacement part, you can maintain the proper functioning of your refrigerator and prevent frost buildup that could lead to unexpected breakdowns. The precise design of the DA47-00244Q ensures a perfect fit with various refrigerator models, simplifying the installation process. This compatibility means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or complicated adjustments during replacement. Additionally, the heater's efficient defrosting capability helps keep your fridge running smoothly and energy efficiently. On the downside, while this heater fits many models, it is essential to verify compatibility with your specific refrigerator to avoid any installation issues. Also, as with any replacement part, professional installation is recommended unless you have experience with appliance repairs. In summary, the supply and demand DA47-00244Q refrigerator defrost heater offers a durable, efficient, and well-designed solution for maintaining your refrigerator's defrost system. If you want to extend the life of your fridge and avoid costly repairs, this product is definitely worth considering. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below.